Hello, my name is Mary Olson, and I am a graduate student at Coastal Carolina University. Today I will talk about my project termed Nutrient Inputs and their modification by coastal swashes across the sandy shoreline. Coastal water quality in the Grand Strand of South Carolina is directly influenced by human activities. Nutrient-rich runoff stemming from numerous anthropogenic sources finds its way into coastal waters through freshwater inputs, often through tidal creeks, termed swashes, that terminate onto sandy beaches. In order for us to better describe the amount of nutrient inputs entering two different swashes of the Grand Strand, Singleton Swash and White Point Swash, we looked at anthropogenic runoff from isolated identifiable point discharges and their nutrient concentrations. We compared the nutrient concentrations from these identifiable point discharges to that of the tidal creek. We looked at dissolved or inorganic nitrogen as well as phosphate, both in the discharge water and the tidal creek water. It was found that the tidal creek water had lower concentrations of the nutrients than that of the point discharges. However, despite finding these elevated nutrient concentrations, the discharge rate of the isolated point discharges is minor, and the inputs were not significant enough to alter the primary channel chemistry due to rapid flow rates. We do hypothesize, however, that non-point sources, including groundwater inputs, may play a larger role in nutrient loading in the coastal zone. Therefore, the next stage of our study will focus on capturing seasonal rates of discharges from both point sources and non-point sources and their nutrient concentrations, in contrast with those of the coastal ocean waters, in order to better determine their role in nutrient loading within the coastal zone.